15 minutes past the hour. This is CNBC's Worldwide Exchange, broadcast live from Asia, Europe, and the United States.
And the International Energy Agency's latest report sees global oil demand up and supply under pressure. So is this just another reason to get into renewables? Here to talk us through some stock picks in the sector is Guy van der Walt, Vice CEO of Helvetia Wealth. Guy, thanks very much indeed for joining us. Getting into sort of playing the renewable energy theme and green energy is sort of long been in investors' minds. Most people I speak to say, but it's all in the price. You know, we've seen big moves in funds and in assets related to this sector. Why do you think there's still more to come?
Yeah, hi Ross. I think it's the kind of obvious one. You know, we have the G8 summit. Something that came out of that is finally Bush has decided to embrace these changes. They're going to redraw a new Kyoto agreement. But from our point, this trend may be the biggest job and wealth creation opportunity of the 21st century. Growth has been driven by rising energy needs, decline in fossil fuels, concerns over is my water pure enough to drink, and so on and so forth. And I think more importantly, it's these government policies that are now changing. And you've got big leaders such as Branson with his involvement in transportation, in trains and so on and so forth, really changing and going green. If you look at, again, if you look at the solar sector. Yeah, hi.
Hi, it's Michelle here in the U.S. I wanted to get some of your stock picks and some of your ideas as a result of what you're saying. You like Hornet Renewable Energy Fund. Why?
Yeah, that is really, it's a pure play energy fund. We spend a lot of time accessing this market space. You know, there's a lot of smaller companies in there. Our position is really how we're going to try and find the best opportunities for our clients. Because answering your question, is it too late for to get into renewables? I'd say far from it. Now is really the time for a retail investor to enter this market. But Hornet Renewable Energy is fantastic. It was the best performing fund that we found. It's gained 56.1% in dollar terms from last year since inception in 2006. It has about 54% of its investments in its top 10 holdings, and 35% of that are in solar. And with the growth we're seeing in solar market at the moment, I believe that this is probably the reason that is outperformed the rest of them.
Guy, Christine here. You like a company in Germany called Solon. Why?
Yes, very much. Yeah, it's a great company. I think they're trading at the moment about 40 euros per share. Bank Sal Oppenheim gives it a fair value of about 45.70, but we're a bit more bullish on this, on the solar sector, seeing it about 51. The company manufactures and markets photovoltaic systems, equipment for distribution, for a variety of uses really. But if you look at their Q1 figures, we can see they really have demonstrated their ability to grow faster than the market despite the scarcity of silicon at the moment. Hopefully that's going to ease up and these companies will continue to do well. Also, they're well positioned in terms of their strategic participation and access to the end customer. And with new larger projects coming online, this could give the share price and the company additional boost. And if you compare it to other companies in the sector, or the upper end of the solar value chain, I'd say Solon provides probably the most attractive risk-return profile.
Okay, Guy, thanks for that. Guy van der Walt, Vice CEO of Helvetia Wealth. Good to see you.
You too. Thanks, Ross.
Well, still to come, we'll be focusing on the automakers. Toyota confirming itself in first place for global auto sales in 2006. Can GM make a comeback? What are your thoughts on the global auto sector? Do email us your views and your questions, your thoughts, your insights worldwide at cnbc.com. Ross, Michelle, myself would love hearing from you.